Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are diving into an essential topic for biology, prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells, a foundational lesson for high school students worldwide. First of all, let's look at the overview of today's lesson. But first, what exactly is a cell? A cell is the smallest living unit that can function independently, and it's what makes up all living organisms and the tissues in our bodies. Cells are best understood through cell theory. Cell is the basic structural and organizational unit of all organisms. All cells come from pre-existing cells, and all living organisms are made up of cells. The study of cells or cell biology was pioneered by Robert Hooke when he observed tiny structures in a cork. Later, Matthias Leiden and Theodor Schwann expanded on his findings, showing that animal and plant cells differ significantly. Let's start with prokaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells are unicellular organisms without a nuclear membrane. Unlike eukaryotes, they lack organelles like mitochondria and lysosomes. Some prokaryotes have unique structures like the flagellum for movement and pili for survival and adaptability. Capsules provide extra protection while the cell wall supports and shields the cell. Inside the cytoplasm, we can see the nucleoid that bears DNA. Furthermore, we can see ribosomes and plasmids inside the cytoplasm. Ribosomes responsible for protein synthesis. Plasmids bear small DNA circuits with useful genes. They help the prokaryotic cells for the antibiotic resistance. Now, eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells make up plants, animals, and fungi and are far more complex. Key organelles include the nucleus, which stores DNA and directs activities, the cytoplasm, where reactions occur, and the cell membrane protects the cell and regulates substance movement. Eukaryotic cells also have mitochondria, the powerhouses producing energy, and ribosomes for protein production. Other organelles like the endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi apparatus handle protein and lipid processing, while lysozymes break down waste. Only the animal cells bear centrioles that assist in cell division organized in microtubules. Plant cells uniquely bear cell wall for support and chloroplast for photosynthesis, large central vacuole for storage processes, and plasmodesmata for cell communication. Let's compare the two, prokaryotic versus eukaryotic cells. Let's consider the size of those two cell types. Prokaryotic cells are usually smaller and typically around 0.1 to 5 micrometer, and eukaryotic cells are usually larger, around 10 to 100 micrometer in diameter. Prokaryotes lack a true nucleus while eukaryotes have one. Prokaryotes have circular DNA and eukaryotes have linear DNA in the nucleus. When we consider about the organelles, prokaryotes lack membrane-bound organelles, whereas eukaryotes have them. Prokaryotes are usually unicellular, eukaryotes are often multicellular. Prokaryotes reproduce by binary fission while eukaryotes use mitosis and meiosis. A cell wall can be found in most prokaryotes and in plant and fungal eukaryotes. Prokaryotes have 70S ribosomes while eukaryotes have 80S ribosomes. Prokaryotes include bacteria and archaea while eukaryotes include plants, animals, fungi and protists. After all, in conclusion, we can say that prokaryotic cells are simpler, lack a nucleus and are small. Eukaryotic cells are larger, more complex and packed with organelles. So thank you you for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe and stay curious.